Hello, elders. If you come first time my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe now. Yeah, and like and share. Okay. Millions of Americans will receive a $1,000 stimulus check May 21, 2026. Who is eligible? Prerna Benefit TV. Okay. Millions of Americans are hearing about a new $1,000 payment arriving on May 21, 2026. But here the surprise, this is not a new federal stimulus check. So who is exactly getting the money and how can eligible resident make sure they receive their payment on time? Let's break everything down to step by step. What is the $1,000 payment? The upcoming $1,000 payment comes from Alaska Permanent Fund Dividend Program, also called the PFD. Every year, Alaska shares part of its oil and resources revenue with eligible residents. This program is managed by the Alaska Department of Revenue. The payment may look like a stimulus check, but it is actually a state dividend for qualifying Alaska residents only. Who is eligible for the payment? To qualify, applicants must have lived in Alaska during all of 2024 and plan to remain permanent resident. They also cannot claim residency benefit from another state or country after December 31, 2023. Certain criminal conviction or long absence from Alaska may also affect eligibility. Resident must meet all official program rules before receiving any payment from the state. Okay, why some people will receive money on May 21? The May 21, 2026 payment is especially for applicants unmarked as eligible not paid by May 13, 2026. This includes approved application from 2025 and some prior years still waiting for distribution. Resident can verify their payment status through Alaska My PFD online system. If the application status is correct, the payment will automatically be sent on the scheduled date. More payments are upcoming later. Alaska officials have already announced additional payment date. Eligible applications approved by June 10 are expected to receive payment on June 18. Applications approved by July 8 are expected to receive money on July 16. This means some residents may still receive their dividend later if their application process is delayed or additional information is needed. Important thing residents should check. Eligible residents should carefully check their direct deposit detail, mailing address, and application status online. Incorrect banking information or outdated address could delay payment. Since the filing season for 2026 is already closed, no new application can be submitted right now. The current payments are only connected to approved 2025 or earlier application still waiting for distribution. The biggest thing to remember is this: the $1,000 payment arriving on May 21 is not a nationwide federal stimulus check, it is Alaska annual permanent fund dividend for eligible resident only. If you apply earlier and meet all requirements, checking your status now could help ensure your payment arrive without any delay next week.